Hello everyone, Jake from Jake's Aviation, back today with another ball unboxing and review video. This time we have the NG models Southwest 737-800 in the California 1 livery. This is the new upgraded version of the livery now on the 800 as opposed to the 700. The Southwest is slowly transitioning away from the 700s, soon to be replaced by the MAX 7s whenever they ever get certified. But for sort of a temporary time period, or actually maybe even a permanent time period, and maybe even permanently, the special liveries that Southwest has are now being painted on 800s, which may then end up going to MAX 8s in the future or back to the MAX 7s, who knows. But nonetheless, we have California 1 here, November 8653 Alpha on the 800. So this is an August 2024 release, so very excited to have this. Let's get right on into it. Here's the box. Standard NG models with a nice box art. I believe I already took the card out of this one to redeem the points, so yeah. But it did come with one. There we have them all looking really nice. Very excited to have this. I think my gamble of waiting, I never got half these special liveries in the Dash 7 versions, as I knew that at some point they were going to be passed along either to the MAX 7s or turns out mostly the 737-800s. So now I'm just trying to get them on the 8s as they come out. But for example, Nevada 1, Gemini Jets released that one. Did they release another one? I can't remember, but I know there's been a couple that have been released by Gemini Jets, or at least one, and I passed on those. Obviously, I don't really take to their mold a whole lot. I'd much prefer to wait for an NG version or even a Panda version. And NG has been slowly doing it. They've got California one out. They did who else? Missouri or Illinois? They've done quite a few, obviously. So with that being said, I'm just waiting for them to do all of the specials on the 8s, and I'm going to try and avoid buying any of the Gemini Jets versions for as long as possible, if completely possible, because obviously that mold is not the greatest. But that's enough of me rambling. Let's take a look at the aircraft here. As you can see, it looks very, very nice overall. It does stretch with the 800. It does stretch out the whites, like on this, the white part of the livery on this, but still, nonetheless, excellent detail around the cockpit there. California 1 right below the cockpit windows. L1 door and the gear looking fantastic. You got the California, like the star right there. I don't know if there's supposed to have been an antenna at the top, but there's like a little spot right there. Doesn't look like a hole, but yeah, so moving along. Obviously got the big bear here. The symbol of the main part of the California flag, the bear. Got the green stripe, or the land sort of that it's walking on. And then that's pretty much it. Then you got the red at the back here. It's kind of cool though, because as you can see, the bear, the paw kind of comes down onto the engine there. So very well done on that. Sort of linking that up, matching that up, so that if you kind of look at it from the side, it works. That's excellent. That's really well done. But yeah, you got some aerials, you got the antennas, Wi-Fi dome, and etc. there. The wings looking very nice with the overwing exit markings and the overwing exits on the fuselage there. The splits look, they're actually just plain. They're just white, but they look great. They're sharp as ever for NG models. The engine's looking fantastic, the CFM engines. Very nice. And then you got the registration at the back here, 8653 Alpha. And the American flag right there, Southwest, and then the new Southwest tail. So very nice on this side, nothing else. You got the, obviously, main door at the back there. Spinning it around, it's just the baggage door at the back here, and the one up front right there. So yeah, not a whole lot else to show. Oh, my lighting is slowly disappearing. But yeah, so taking a head-on view, looking very nice. We'll get that top-down view, showing the detail on the wings, looking really nice. And then the underneath, you got the little Southwest heart, you got the green and the red, looking very nice. I love the little part at the back here for where the tail stand would go, and kind of like the tail strike buffer or protector right there at the back. So very nice. Let's zoom in here. And yeah, so very nice model. Very happy to have this one. So I'm slowly trying to get all the special liveries, but as they come out on the 800s, as to just not, you know, buy the 700s for no reason, knowing that they're going to be transitioned over at some point. So yeah, but with that being said, this is a very nice model. I'm happy to have this, and definitely recommend it if you can find it, but I don't think most of these are available anymore. I'd be curious to see what else NG comes out with in the future, and hopefully they will eventually, as deliveries come out. New Mexico one was one of the other ones that they did that I have. But yeah, so will be cool to see what else they make, and hopefully they do continue with the trend of knocking out all these new specials as they come out on the 800, so that would be excellent. But yeah, with that being said, guys, I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe for more mall unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. With that, guys, I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Take care.